In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save emails from Outlook to OneDrive. By the end, you'll have a clean copy of your email saved as a file in your cloud storage, ready to access or share anytime. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website from the results. If you're asked to sign in, do that securely and proceed to your inbox. Open the specific email you want to save. This can be any message you need to archive, keep for records, or share later. With the email open, look for the three dots, often labeled More Actions, near the top of the message. Click those to open the extended menu. From there, move your cursor to the Download section to reveal its options. Choose Download as MSG. The MSG format preserves the message content and formatting, and it typically includes metadata like sender, subject, and date, which is handy for keeping context. Your browser will save the file to your default Downloads folder unless you choose a different location. If you don't see it right away, check your browser's recent downloads list. Next, go to OneDrive in your browser. Once you're in, navigate to the folder where you want to store the email. Opening the right folder first keeps things organized and makes it easier to find later. At the top right of the OneDrive page, click the download icon you see there. This ensures the command bar is active and your view is focused on the current folder. Now bring up your computer's Downloads folder or wherever the MSG file was saved. Click and drag that email file directly into the open OneDrive folder in your browser. When you drop it, you should see an upload progress indicator. Wait for it to finish so you know the file has been fully uploaded. Once complete, the MSG file will appear in that folder, and you can open, move, or share it as needed. If you want to keep things tidy, you can rename the file within OneDrive to something descriptive, so it's easier to search later. That's it. You used Outlook to download the email as an MSG file, then placed it into your chosen OneDrive folder for safe, cloud-based storage. This method is reliable, keeps the original message details intact, and works well for building an organized, searchable archive. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat the same process for any other emails you want to keep in OneDrive.